What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we take a look at the ultimate guide on how to make money on Twitch, aka the beginner's guide. Be sure to like today's video and to subscribe. Also comment down below letting me know that you subscribed so that you can automatically be entered into this month's shoutout giveaway. There are multiple ways to make money on Twitch, which is great so you can have multiple sources of income. A lot of YouTubers and gamers, specifically, have taken to live streaming on Twitch over the past few years, considering there is so many ways to make money on there. Today I'm going to go over just a few of the ways you could possibly make money on Twitch, and go over some helpful tips that you may or may not know about. Coming in at number 1, we have types of Twitch users. Twitch users are basically broken down into 3 different sections, which include everyday Twitch users, Twitch affiliates, and Twitch partners. And as you may have guessed, everyday Twitch users don't really make money and are basically just your everyday Twitch user that uses the platform to watch their favorite broadcasters and influencers. Twitch affiliates is the users on Twitch who start making money through affiliates and other methods we're going to talk about on this list. And after you become a Twitch affiliate and you've grown a big enough following, then Twitch will offer you to become a Twitch partner so you can start making money directly from Twitch. Coming in at number 2, income sources available to everyone. A few of the income sources you can look to do to make money while you don't have a big following, or even when you do, are affiliate links, which is basically a link to a website like Amazon to a specific product. Once your followers buy that product, you then in return get money for it. Selling custom merch is another method which basically explains itself. Another method you could look to make a little extra money is by donations. Twitch has a donation method for their affiliates and for their partners, where your followers can donate money to you in the form of bits. Another method is sponsorship. If you have a big enough following, you can then begin to get sponsors from companies that revolve around your channel's topic. This is a great way to make money. However, for some sponsors, you will need quite the following. So don't look to get a lot of sponsors right out of the gate. Coming in at number 3 on this list, we have income sources available to Twitch affiliates and partners only. A few of the other income sources you can look forward to once you get a bigger following is subscriptions. Subscriptions are basically self-explanatory, but for the sake of this video, I will explain it anyways. How a subscription works on Twitch is your followers can subscribe to you for a fee. Once subscribed to your stream, your followers will then receive a few perks if you want them to. One of the perks you can choose them to have is to be able to use your channel emojis on your streams. And another sort of perk is that when someone subscribes to your channel or renews their subscription, their name then pops up in your video, which may not seem like a lot, but it's awesome to have your name on your favorite Twitch streamer's live stream. Another source of income for affiliates and partners is selling Twitch games and in-game items. How this works is if a user is playing a game Twitch sells or one that Twitch sells in-game items for, then a box will appear below your live stream while you're playing the game. And if your users click the box and purchase the game or something in the game, then you get 5% of that money. Another way to make money is by ads, which is only available to Twitch affiliates and partners. And this can be a great way for Twitch streamers to make money just from people watching their streams and not having to purchase anything.